All right, I'm the flat rate master, and caution, this is a rant. All right, behind the camera, I've got a 2012, I think Sonic, something like that. It's Sonic. And on the seat is an RO from a chain store. Complaint was that it went there for was overheating. Okay. They charged them for a coolant test. They sold them a coolant flush. Okay, you're thinking, okay, and? I pull the car in, it has a check engine light. I pull up the code, it is coolant flow fault. You know, okay, I look at the coolant level, it's full. I look at the RO on the seat. I figure, you know, thermostat, that's why it's overheating, crank it up, let it run. Start checking my hoses, okay, the one's not getting warm yet. Sit there, you know, let it run. And it starts dripping in my bay. Haven't pressure tested it yet. It's dripping quite extensively in my bay. And another shop sold them a coolant flush, which means they didn't do anything except top off the coolant, park it. I will say this, they used a universal coolant and the coolant is still orange. So I don't think they actually flushed it. I think they just topped it off and parked it. I am livid about that. I mean, that is stereotypical hack mechanics. I mean, to pull a car in and not do anything other than sell them a coolant flush is ridiculous. It pisses me off. The customer's out $100 for nothing other than a top off. Because like I said, universal coolant is what's on the ticket. The coolant's still orange. So I don't think they flushed it with anything other than pouring some in. Anyway, the repair was approved immediately. She had no problem doing the repair. And if they'd actually ran the car, they'd have seen it leak. I mean, I almost busted my butt walking through here with flip-flops because that's how much coolant it's dripped. If you're doing that kind of stuff, stop it. Seriously, get out of the trade, go do something else. Go flip burger or something. Look at the cars right and fix them. Just an FYI, there was no notes on it about anything else other than do a coolant flush. So, as always, thanks for watching. I am the Flat Rate Master.